Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard or in their community, or just flower photos, whatever you want to send in for this video. I do this video the first Sunday of every month. The other Sundays I've been doing question and answer videos. If you want to ask questions, you can ask those down below, and next weekend will be a question and answer video. I've got a decent amount of photos from this past month. It always slows down a little bit during the summer. Those photos are at the end of this video. If you're interested in sending in photos for this video, send them to this email address right here, and make sure you put Subscriber Sunday or Subscriber Sunday Photos or something like that as the title, so I'll know what the photos are for. Make sure if you're taking photos with your phone, turn your phone sideways. YouTube is, a widescreen format. Instagram has kind of made us all take photos, with our phones upright, but do turn your phone sideways, and then it'll fill up the screen. You'll see some of the photos in this video, where you'll see some black edges and that kind of thing, where I have to doctor the photos a little bit because they're up and down, where, like I say, YouTube wants them to be widescreen. So enough of that. One thing before I get to those photos, a while back, and those of you who've been watching videos for a while will know, all of the individual plant videos that I've ever done, I've put those videos into playlist for different zones. So if you're in zone 5 or zone 6 or zone 7 or zone 8 or zone 9 or zone 10, I think that's the ones I have. I've put the videos that are videos for plants that will grow in your area into a playlist. So there's a zone 5 playlist, a zone 6 playlist, so on and so forth. Unfortunately, that leaves, like the zone 6 playlist may have 200 plants in it. And so if you're looking for a screening plant or something like that, it doesn't necessarily work all that well for you. So I have begun, and over the next month, I hope to actually subdivide these lists into like a zone 6 screening plant list and a zone 6 fragrant plant list, and so on and so forth. And as I do that, I'm actually going to be making videos of combining those plants together. And so I've got one, I think on Tuesday, there's one. The first one's going to be called Fragrant Plants for Zone 7. And as a result of that, I'm going to have a fragrant plant for Zone 7 playlist. And so there'll be a playlist for shade plants for your zone, screening plants, foundation plants, like I say, fragrant plants, perennials, trees, flowering plants, that kind of thing. I'm just subdividing them in all kinds of different groups. I'll let you know as I roll that out. But you're going to start seeing videos related to that. So there might be a shade plants for zone 6, or a foundation plants for zone 5, that kind of thing. You'll see those videos starting to come out. I'm assembling footage from those old videos together and then talking over them. So you can see 10, like I say, probably like 10 plants per video, something like that is the way I'll hold it down to. So the videos are maybe 30 seconds of footage for each plant. So the videos will be between like 5 and 7 minutes. But as I put those videos together, like I say, I'm going to assemble these playlists, and then I'll talk about that next month once I have those things divided. And I think that'll really help people if you're just like, oh, I need a screening plant for my area. There'll be a playlist for it. Wouldn't that be great? So anyway, here are the Subscriber Sunday photos from the last month. And thank you all for watching and subscribing. There's been a lot of channel growth this year. I really appreciate it.